My favorite engineering toy as a child was model rockets that I built. These came as kits and they were paper and balsa wood. The first one I ever got was just had one stage, and when you shot them off they were so fast that you couldn't follow them. So I retrieved it 2 or 3 times, and then I thought, this needs to go higher. So I built another stage, and when I shot it off, the first stage I could follow. It was relatively slow, but after that first stage separated in the second stage, it was so fast I couldn't even see where it went. So I lost my rocket. A few months later, the neighborhood rumor was somebody found it in a tree somewhere. And I just liked doing that because you could build something that actually worked and flew and left the earth.